Hi everyone and welcome back to Lastroga Bella. Today we're going to be showing you how to create your very own dressed spell candles. For this you'll need a small candle in any colour that you like. I've chosen white. Some herbs that you would like to dress your candle in. I've picked sage and rosemary. You'll also need a coloured candle if you wish to put some colour on top. I've picked purple. And you'll need a plain candle just for dripping. I always like to begin any spell by cleansing my space. Most spell candles are really simple to make. All you need to do is alternate between sprinkling on your herbs and dripping some wax. Be careful as the wax can be really hot. Continue the process of alternating the wax and herbs until the outer layer of the candle has become really thick. Allow the wax on the candle to fully harden before you use it in any spell work. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative.